In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to your Facebook account and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in to your Facebook account, go ahead and head over to the menu section by clicking on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen, which you'll find below the messenger icon. Now on the menu section, go ahead and head over to the settings page by clicking on the settings icon beside the search icon. On the settings page, go ahead and head over to the account center by clicking on see more in account center. Once you click on profiles, you'll be able to view all of the profiles connected to this Facebook account, such as your Facebook account and your Instagram profile. To be able to disconnect your Instagram from your Facebook account, what you'll need to do is to head back to the account center settings. Scroll down and click on accounts, and you go ahead and remove your Instagram account under the accounts list. And once you have that removed, your Instagram account will be disconnected from your Facebook account. Moving your Instagram account from your Facebook account is a necessary step if your Facebook account gets suspended or if the account gets inaccessible for you. And that's how you can simply disconnect Instagram from your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.